This here Motorola Razr 2022 is the third Moto Razr foldable now. Boston design improvements, beefy Snapdragon 8 General +1 performance and boosted specs, all for a lower price that cheaply undercuts the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4 by 50 whole quid. The device was unveiled in China back in August alongside two other smartphones, the Moto X30 Pro and S30 Pro. The new Razr looks nothing like the first model released in 2019, and it certainly doesn't resemble the original Razr V3, where it all began almost 2 decades ago. And as for specifications, the Razr 2022 only has higher resolution cameras than the Z Flip 4 and not much else. The phone lacks water resistant and it doesn't have an armor aluminum frame, and there are no flex mode software features to maximize the advantage of the Flip form factor. To be honest, the Razr 2022 doesn't tickle anyone's nostalgia bone to justify its high price, and it can't really outline the Z Flip 4 in terms of features and overall user experience. You've got Wi-Fi 6E and 5G support, and you've also get a choice of 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage space, so plenty of room for all of your random crop. No expandability via microSD. Unfortunately, there's only a single SIM slot on that tray as well. But the good news is that the Motorola Razr 2022 also supports eSIM as well as that single SIM. You've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Qualcomm's Billy Big Bollocks Ultimate SoC right now, and that's backed here by either 8 or 12 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and Motorola can shoot up to 8K. Sadly, the Moto Razr 2022 is only available in this one color, which is of course black. Actually satin black if you want to give its full moniker. It does feel quite a nice smooth finish to it, and its design just looks a little bit more polished compared with previous generation. Battery life should be fairly good given the better power efficiency of the new processor, combined with a decent 3500 mAh battery capacity treated with 33-watt fast charging support. As expected, the Motorola Razr 2022 runs on the latest Android 12 operating system. The primary display carries a resolution of 2400 by 1080 and 6.7 inches in size. The cover display, on the other hand, offers an interactive 2.7-inch quick view interface, with a resolution of 800 by 573 pixels, and the cover display has been slightly increased in size in comparison to previous generations. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.